is connected to understanding. Okay, I get an understanding. Gross, oh, wow, that's great. So, what we can get with get? We can get what? First of all, I'll give you a clue. We can get an education, right? We can get an education. So that's a combination. So education goes with what? Get. What could be the other nouns? Come on. For example, think from the perspective of an employee. He receives something after every month. What is that? Yeah, a salary. Okay, very good. Salary. Great. Then after college, after your college, you get a job. Fine. Then what? If you don't work properly, huh? Get rejected. Another word is there. Uh, that word starts with S. I mean, a cloth cover, a big cloth cover to carry things. What is that called? Sack. What is that? We get the sack. What is getting the sack means what? Yeah, getting fired. So if you don't work properly, you get the sack. This word is connected to understanding. Okay, I get an understanding. Gross, oh, wow, that's great. So get get a grasp. Amazing. Yeah, that wasn't there. Anything. Use your knowledge. But box is there. You can choose, words from the box. Yeah, it's easy. First one, activity 1. I get dash when I can't solve a Sudoku puzzle. Huh? It is irritated. That is much more appropriate. I got dash when you didn't answer my phone. I got worried. My grandpa needs a walking stick. He is getting old. I often get dash on this kind of maths problem. Stuck. I need to get dash for my IELTS test tomorrow. I need to get ready. The film was painfully slow at the start, but now it's getting. Such kind of movies are called a slow burner. Yeah. Yeah. Then I get dash, the government doesn't. I get dash that. I get the impression that the government doesn't really know what it's doing with COVID. I mean, they have been saying we all get vaccinated, but we seem to be getting getting nowhere. We seem to be getting nowhere. And now with these new variants, it seems we're getting into trouble.
About Tom and Jerry, who are friends, and they are sitting in a park and they are having the conversation. And I am Tom and he is Jerry. So, hey Jerry, I bought a new car.
Oh, that's great. I'm green with envy.
Yeah, I bought a car using my money, using a loan which I've taken from a bank, and I have to lie about it to my parents. I have to white lie to my parents.
Oh, you are in the red. I can give you the green light. You can borrow money from me anytime.
Okay, so let's go for a drive, Jerry.
Okay.
And out of the blue, Tom and Jerry got into an accident.
So, yeah, it is a conversation between two friends, myself, George, and his Vishnu. So, we are talking about the opinions that we are going for higher studies. So, yeah, we'll start.
Hey George, how are you?
I'm doing good, Vishnu. Well, did you get the green light from your parents for the higher studies?
Yes, out of the blue, I asked for my opinion from my parents.
Oh, I'm green with envy. Well, my family is in the red since past week.
Stop telling these white lies to me, George.
It's always fascinating that you catch my white lies. Thank you.
Mila, transforming your needs into possibilities.